Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this voltage battery charger, guys. So if you have a dead battery down here like so, then you can use one of these to charge the battery slowly instead of, jump starting it from your car and potentially damaging your battery. So if you are unfamiliar to this product, I am not affiliated with it, but I just got this today as this one here is very old and no longer seems to be effective. And if it's not effective, then it probably means that my battery is completely fried. But so first step, guys, is obviously you want to unbox the product. I'm going to come back after I get this cord undone. Okay, now that my cord is undone, I'm just going to plug this in, guys, into a power point. Make sure that you take off this plastic, guys, because if you don't take off the plastic, it will not, be able to be plugged into the wall, guys, all right? So make sure you remove that plastic. I have heard of people leaving the plastic on and wondering, why can't I plug my charger into the wall? Why won't it fit? Well, it is because you left the plastic on, all right? So let's just plug that in. So we just plug that into the wall, all right? Turn that on once you plug the battery in first, okay? So don't turn it on yet, okay? So first of all, get this down there. All right, you want to put your positive right here on your positive terminal, okay? And with your negative, you want to put your negative on the negative terminal, guys, okay? Right there. Okay, now it is charging. Well, it's ready to charge. So now you want to turn it on, guys. Turn it on. All right, just like that. And you'll see here that it is now turning on. And you see that the battery level is very, very low. And the green states that it is charging. And yeah, this is suitable for gel, AGM, lead, acid, and calcium batteries, guys, all right? And yeah, so hopefully my battery will now charge, and if it doesn't, then I can safely assume that my battery is no longer any good, and that means that I should go and buy a new battery for my car. Okay, I hope this helps. Hope that you guys have found that this helps you solve your problem on how to charge your battery. And yeah, good luck with your batteries, everyone, and I'll see you in another video. All right, peace out.